It is common for a parent or primary caregiver to want to view the calendar for their program. This is easy to do on both the web and within the iPhone or Android apps. The easiest way is to go into the Moment app. Tap on the Calendar tab. On the top of the Calendar tab, you'll notice All Classes. If you want to see a specific class, simply tap Switch Classes and select your program. In this case, I am going to stay on All Classes. And I'm going to choose September as the month. And if I tap, I can see that the purple dots underneath the days of the month indicate that there are events, and the yellow dots indicate that there are holidays. In this case, September 2nd is Labor Day, and if I continue to scroll down, I'll notice that on September 5th there are two events, kindergarten class as well as back to school night. I can tap on any event to see the details of that event, including the location and directions. On the web, go to moment.com and tap Login. If you are already logged in, you will land on My Organizations page. In this case, Katie Gordon has students enrolled in both Redwood Grove and Redwood Grove Summer. By tapping the blue View Programs button, she lands on the My Programs tab of Redwood Grove, in which she has a student enrolled in kindergarten. By tapping on kindergarten, she will land on the program details of kindergarten, which provide the description of the class as well as contact information. If she goes to the Communications tab, she will see the feed as well as the calendar of events. Within the calendar, if she goes to See More, she can land on the monthly view of the calendar. By going to September, she can see Labor Day as a holiday and then classes start. If she wants to see a weekly view, she can simply tap here. If she wants to go into a specific event on September 5th, she can click on the day and then scroll down to the specific event and click on Event Details to see the details as well as the location.